Well, greetings and good morning, or should I say good afternoon, business communication students. This is Mr. Doucette. This is week number 7 in our 8-week course here at Norco College on business communications, BUS24. And so this is our second to the last week. Next week's not actually a full week. So keep that in mind. All of your assignments are due on Friday, which is also graduation day. So make sure you get everything done by then. But this week we're going to be looking at 2 chapters, chapter 11 on professionalism, and then chapter 13 on the job search, resumes, and cover letters. So this last module, module number 3, which is week 7 and 8, you're going to be looking at kind of job searching and the whole idea of employment communication. So we're going to be writing a resume, we're going to be doing a job search, as well as studying the chapters on that. So I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen here, start sharing it here, go to our class in Canvas. So let me replace current share and go here. I think I have the class already up. So let's see what you guys are seeing. Actually, it's not showing up. So hold on a second. Let me try this again. Let me stop sharing here. Nope, I don't want to do that. So I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to reshare. There we go. All right, you should see now our office hours link. So I'm going to go ahead and select the home button here. And then that's going to bring us to our home. And of course, we're in the last module. We're just starting that today, module number 3. And so we'll be looking at week number 7. So once again, you have a check-in assignment as you do every week. You're going to be looking at chapters 11 and 13. So make sure you read the 2 chapters and then you answer the 4 questions or 5 questions. There is a PowerPoint available for both of those chapters as well. So take a look at that. Then you have a quiz on those chapters. Again, you can take this quiz multiple times. So don't be afraid if you don't do well the first time. Take it again until you get the highest score you can. And then you have your third and final discussion post. Now, it's very important that you do your discussion post first, because out of your discussion post is going to come your resume and cover letter, which you don't need to do the cover letter, but you're going to basically search for a job. You're going to search for 3 jobs, 3 different jobs from 3 different job sites. So Indeed, Monster, whatever. And then you're going to be selecting one of those jobs to write your resume for. So it's very important when you're doing your resume that it's not just a generic resume or the one that you used for your last job, but that you actually tailor it towards a new potential job. So once you've done the discussion post assignment and you've searched for 3 jobs, there's also some questions in there on the future of the whole job market, as well as some interview questions that you need to answer. So it's a 3-part assignment. First part is watching this Dan Pink video on the future of the job market and answering a question about that. The second part is searching for 3 jobs from 3 different job sites. And then the third part is to answer some interview questions. And once you've completed that, at least the first 2 parts of that, then you're going to want to write your resume. And so I'm going to go back here and look at the resume assignment. And this, by the way, is your final writing assignment. You have 2 weeks to do it. So select that. Here you go. So note right here, based on one of the jobs you found in the discussion post number 3 assignment, draft or update a resume and tailor it to that job listing. Please include the job description and listing with your resume. Ideally, you just make a cover page, put the job and the job description on it, and then the second page should be your resume. So that's pretty much the writing and final writing assignment. You have 2 weeks to do this, so feel free to take the full 2 weeks to prepare it. And that's pretty much it for week number 7. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I do have office hours Monday and Wednesday in my physical office, and then Thursday virtually if you have any questions or concerns. And those same office hours will be applicable next week, which is finals week. So all right, well, have a great week, everyone. If till then, till next week when you'll see me on our final video. Have a great last 2 weeks.